Go, 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 go.
Right now I can see some of the truck are working here. On the truck bucket is up and I can see the Tata truck is move forward. Oh my god! What I see! Let's go! Wow! So nice! Wow, 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 wow!
You don't know.
Wow! The truck is... Oh my god! The truck is... Wow! Wow! Let's go another side. Oh my god! Slowly! Oh my god! He is so beautiful! Wow! The sand is... Oh my god! Oh my god! He's strong! The excavator on the sandy road! Oh my god! The excavator is... I can't know! Oh my god! The bucket is... Oh my god! Pushing the dig and the sand is overfull! Oh my god! Loading the truck! So beautiful! Oh my god! You like the excavator? You like it? Wow! The excavator is moved back! And oh my god! How possible it? Oh my god! Very energy the excavator! Yes! Oh my god! Oh my god! Really, the excavator working hard, and I can see the excavator is working here. Hey, look how many digging here. Wow! Sand it, oh my god! Oh my god! The overflow of the sand. Yes, look how the white colored truck and some of the truck are waiting the backside. Wow! And the caterpillar excavator is loading the truck. Really, it is beautiful. Yes, do you like, baby? Oh, wow! Please like the video if you like the excavator. It's caterpillar cat excavator. E200B. Yes, do you like it? Oh my god! Right now I can see some of the truck are waiting here for loaded the soil and move here, and I can see a full loaded truck is waiting here, stuck in the sandy road, and I can see a laborer working here for rescue the truck, and I don't know how it move forward. Oh my god, the while is stuck on the sand. Really, it is very hard for move forward. Look, if I look at the downside, I can see the truck body is stuck. Oh my god! Oh my god! The bucket is move on. Oh my god! The bucket is already, but I don't know how. Yeah. So sad, so sad. The excavator is slowly coming forward to push the truck to rescue it. Yeah, we all know that the excavator has a lot of power that can easily rescue the truck from here. Yes, right now I can see a worker working hard. The soft sand will be removed from here and the sand will be provided so that the truck can easily get out from here. When the excavator push and the truck uses the own power, it is hoped that the truck will be able to live here. Yes, oh my god. The laborer help, I can see the truck box is moved up. I don't know. Oh my god. Oh my god. The excavator bucket is downside. Wow. Can it possible to move forward? Wow. Oh my god, very dangerous position. Oh my god, how it possible? Oh my god, where the box? Where? It is really dangerous right now. The tram box train while, and oh my god, so sad. Another while the worker are removed. At the moment we can see the truck is stuck now and the one power is, oh my god, but the truck is not move forward. Oh my god, so sad. The one power is not is able for move forward. The excavator is pushing but not the truck is move forward. Oh my god, trying backside, but look how it possible. The train wheel is stuck out. Can you comment please what the best solution for move forward? Really I don't know, but the lever and the driver are trying more and more, but the truck is not move forward. The excavator bucket is already stuck down on the sand and already the sand is recovered, and I can see the labor working hard. He is very thin, but he work hard. I don't know how many time needs for its rescue. Oh my god, every worker and the driver are hard working here. I don't know when it is possible. Wow, the excavator is push. Oh my god, yes. Oh, wow, yes. God, very black is my power, but the truck is not moving forward. Wow, so sad. Yes, the excavator bucket. Oh my god. Wow! The another side we can see the two truck come here forward and yellow color and the white color truck. Hey, Lemon Feta! Oh my god! Already the truck is rescued and move forward. Really so happy! Wow! Oh my god! Successfully the excavator is found the job. Oh my god! Thank you for everyone watching the video. Wow!